Right, hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing another video on the Can-Am. We're a little bit of a different one today. We're going to be doing it at my mate's go-kart track. Josh is on the channel with the C-Force 850. He's got this little 100cc buggy that he drives around in. Ever so fun, great little bit of kit. So basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking my Outlander out there, going to knock all the power steering off it, two-wheel drive, high gear. My friend Luke, he's bringing out his C-Force 500 as well, so we're going to see how that goes. We've had a bit of rain over the last couple of days, so the track is in a small wood block, maybe an acre and a half size wood block. Really tight turns, really like hard for quads. You know, his buggy manages it really well because it's got a real low center of gravity. So we're going to go out there, we set up a track, we're going to do some times. I'm going to see if I can catch him and hold on to him okay. We'll see how it goes. I hope I do all right because he's been a bit cocky all week about it. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. It'll be a good test to see the handling and the maneuverability of the Can-Am without all the power steering on and stuff, because I'm still working my way through it all yet. I'm not quite sure what I prefer. So we'll get straight into it, guys. Hope you enjoy. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll catch back in with you at the end of the video to see how it all went. Right, we'll go back to start. Right then. Just wait for Josh. Right, dude, I'm gonna come for you. I'm coming for you. She is slippery. That buggy's only 150cc, but bloody hell, it can move around here. Right, this line, oh, come on. He's getting away from me. He's got that lower centre of gravity. He's making a lot of ground. The ruts are just wanting to throw you out. As slippery as anything. Big obstacle. Oh, we got thrown out of them now. Right, go try and pick a line. Ooh, 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 ooh. There he is. Okay then, we've had a bit of a breakdown. The old buggy trying to outrun the old Can-Am Outlander as the battery's taken a dump, hasn't it, Josh?
Well, it's the connector, all rusty, so hopefully cleaned it up a bit. Hopefully it'll be alright now.
Hopefully it'll be alright. You're nice and happy, Josh.
Look
how unhappy Josh looks now. Are you alright there, mate? Yep. Clearly not. He's fuming. Here we go. Just fucking... Oh, back on it. Sorry, mate. What the heck have you done here?
Just make sure that bit just needs to be on your...
Bloody hell.
It's knackered anyway.
Nearly.
Oh, I heard it click.
Come on, come on, come on. Yes! She lives. Right, don't turn it off. Oh yeah! And here it is. The first casualty of the day. It's not been a great day. The track's really slippy. Bloody mud everywhere. And Luke came off with C-Force 500 and has bent all in there. He's bent all his A-arms. Came helling off. Hopefully I got it on film, but that is dead for the time being. We've just got the buggy back up and running. So let's go back and do some riding. Catch you in a bit. Hello everybody, just on our way back from Josh's now. It's been a hell of a day, long day riding. Luke unfortunately crashed his C-Force 520 on the first turn. He got thrown out of the rut. It was ever so slippy up there, real greasy track. And he's bent all of his A-arms So yeah, he's not too happy about that. That's not a problem. We'll get it fixed up out there. The Can-Am handled really well in the slick terrain up there, and got through all the trees really well. Like I say, it's a very tight track up there. So it's a good test how to, you know, just getting used to the power steering modes and all that stuff. So I think next time we do it in a few weeks, when I got used to riding it a little bit more off-road. It was the first time we're really taking it properly off-road, so it's a good determination to see how it all handles and that. So feel free to like and subscribe, guys, if you like the content, and we'll see you back here in a little bit. Thank you very much.